How's it going, Wow, that was one heck of an intro. How's it going, everyone? Today is going to be July 19th. It is going to be here at 8:25 a.m. You guys, I'm currently into a short position here on my take profit accounts. Everything got restored and looking to be a really good success on here. So I'm back at it trading here, showing you guys live examples. I'm actually taking this 50 EMA push to the downside, overall in a bear trend. You guys can tell this. Which way is our linear regression heading? We are heading to the downside. Just previously got a nice sell signal pushing down. This is the breath in. I'm looking to see if we can actually get to capitalize on a push down here into this area where we had a strong level of support in the market around 5560, which would actually be taking out the low of the day around this 5567. So while this is playing out right here in front of you guys, please keep a look over here. This is the profit and loss for the 3 accounts that I have. I'm going to give a shout out to everyone who just literally joined in the last 24 hours. You guys, congratulations. Marvin, thank you so much for joining. I really do appreciate it. Megan, we also had Jason and Marcus. Thank you guys so much. Leave a comment below if you've heard your name. Thank you so much for joining. All these guys did do. Take a look at this. Go over to My Future Success or just click the link in the description below here. This is going to give you guys instant access to all the metrics that I use to show you guys live trading examples here with my take profit accounts. Go over here, click I want this, and then get these metrics on your chart so you can start following me. Make the one-time investment for life for literally just $99. I know this sounds cheap. Literally, some of our comments, take a look at the 5-star ratings over here. We have 27 5-star ratings, and one of these, I don't know where it is, but it was so funny. It's like, I was a little bit skeptic about the price because it being so low that I didn't know if it was going to work, and then ends up taking out hundreds of dollars and if not thousands of dollars in the market. It was absolutely incredible. Take a look at this while you guys are over there. It's a lot of fun. This will give you access to all the metrics. But back to the charts. You guys, what am I looking at right now? How am I trading? How can you do this yourself and literally see account balances like this skyrocket into our favor? What I'm looking at is just simple metrics, you guys. I'm looking at price action. Where is price action heading? If we are below this 50 and we're overall bearish and we're getting these strong bearish candles, look at this. Sell signal, great entry. Could have capitalized on that, didn't. It's okay. Had the breath back in, tested the 50. This is your first entry. Look at this, 557225. At candle close here, this is where we want to get in. As long as we still have strong bearish candles in the market like this, heading lower, stay within that trade. If you're going for the 1 point in the market, like I like to teach on, let's say, the 2-minute time for a couple ticks on the 1, that's totally all right. But if you want to stay within trades longer, do this. Make sure these are still bearish and make sure this middle band here is still solid red. As long as you're having continued bearish strong candles and this middle band is continuing to be red, that is where I want you to stay within trades. And this is how we're able to capitalize on these moves. So far, we're fluttering between like $650 to $700, coming up against us a little bit on per account right now. So I will, when this ends up closing out here, hopefully we can get a bit more of a push down. I'm going to go over to the counts and show you guys exactly the balance of this count in a second to see and just show you guys transparency with this. But this is the first trade back at it after getting the resets on take profit, with us having myself having the issue with the DOM not working on silver and gold. The metals I have heard are just not panning out too good right now. So stay away from those until Monday, which I believe they're going to be reset. Oh my gosh, take a look, guys. Sell signal illuminated here. What you can do, and I did this in my one-on-ones just yesterday. I had 3 one-on-one yesterdays, and I was explaining this to the people in there. If you get reversals like this, you can enter in on these strong bearish candles. Some traders, like myself with this, will use these sell signals, as long as these stay on, as just a confirmation that the trend that you're in is still heading bearish. So if you're able to spot this as a breath in an overall downtrend and get entered in here, just like we did on our account, and we're flushing down further, if you end up getting a sell signal and everything stays there, look what's happening. Money's coming up to this 50 area. We're not pushing above. I wouldn't be surprised here in a second if we actually see this start curling back over. Solid red dot, which is a key EMA crossover to the downside. This is where the market can flush through. Take a look. This red line here is low of day. If this goes down through this, we're going to see a massive dump here on the ES. And this could run for points and points more into the market. With this sell signal, I absolutely love this and want to stay in. Take a look at that. Broke through the low of day. Let's see if we can break through it again. Broke through it again. Broke through it again. Gosh, you guys, this is one heck of a trade. Currently up close to $4,000 here just on this alone. About $1,500 on the count. Gosh, this is coming. This is a level of support. Let's do this together, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and close this out if we get close to this area or anywhere near it, because this is going to be an amazing trade to show you guys live here using these metrics. If we get anywhere close to that $6,000 to $7,000 just in a single day here trading, this is going to be the largest profit that I've ever taken out here trading live with you guys. And I want to do it with you here, showing exactly what I'm looking at. Let's look to the left. Where is support? Where is support in this market? We might have to go up to a higher time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame and show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. Transparency here, right? So right here, see that? That is a level of support. Take a look at this line here. If we end up dropping down closer to this, that's where I want to see a potential bounce in the market. Let's go back to the 1-minute time frame. Let's do this together. Let's blow this up. Where are we? What's happening? Bearish candle still illuminated? Yes, I love that. Still looking great. Money momentum, kind of going par back and forth. If it starts curling under, that's going to be even better. Another dip down. Absolutely fantastic. $7,000, $7,300, close it out. Just like that, you guys. Order filled, you can hear in the back. Look at this right now. Take a look at this, you guys. Go over to the count. Let's go to go. This is a $2,400 profit per account on here, you guys. This is per account. So what is that? 2,400 times 3. What is that? $7,200. This is going to be the most awesome thumbnail to make on YouTube. Take a look. All three of these accounts, 2,380. Let's go over here. Let's go to this one, 2380, 2380. That just did a $7,000 profit on this account within just that time frame, following these metrics just like this to a T. Guys, tell me, if you invest $100 into something that you have lifetime access to for a future to make just like this, a $7,000 profit on accounts like this, would you do it? And I'm telling you guys, almost 600 people have already done it. Let's get this to close to 10,000 to 100,000 people. You guys, there's a reason why this isn't any higher than it is. I don't want this to be even a thought in your mind. Should I get it? This should be, I'm going to get this. I'm going to follow these metrics and I'm going to pull out funds just like Justin's doing over here and teaching us, because this does work, you guys. Look at these sell signals. Honestly, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. This is a live example, literally right in front of you, pulling out, showing on our take profit accounts this exact profit today. Take a look at that, you guys. 1 for 1, 100% win rate today, over $2,400 on each account. Guys, I'm having so much fun with you here. I honestly am. This has been the most amazing group of people that I have met in the last 2 months since getting back here on YouTube in May, and I am so excited. Guys, if you want to do one-on-one training, let's go over live price action together. When you go over here, you get 50% off all of trading. So all of teaching here. So just the one I'm doing today is going to get 50% off. Take advantage of this, you guys. Invest in yourself, invest in your future, and let's see some great profits from our members posted. I have a complimentary Discord that everyone who joins is able to join together and ask questions. I'm primarily here just on YouTube and do private trainings to show how to trade the market. Look at this, you guys. This ended up dropping off even more. I'm not getting greedy. I'll take $7,000 for the day. All right, guys, have a great one. Take care.